Nikon IR remote and a Lego. Here's a little DIY project for you Nikon shooters out there. Certain models of the Nikon DSLR support IR remotes. But to buy an actual Nikon brand remote from your local camera shop will set you back around $40. Why not build one yourself instead? This project requires a little more skill than most. You have to be able to manufacture a PCB and program a microcontroller. This could be problematic if you don't already have the necessary gear. So that $40 might not seem such a bad idea. The person who created this project on Instructables did a far better job explaining it than I can, so head on over there and check it out. I'd do one myself, but my camera doesn't support IR.